it's so nice to relax. Oh, what happened? Hello, I'm Thomas. Who are you? Hello, Thomas. I'm a Mario.
Did I just hear Thomas?
Yes, you did, Thomas.
Oh my god, that's my favourite show of all time! I love that show so much!
I have no idea what Thomas the Tank Engine is. I'm friends. Well, our show is still good now, but a lot of people say our show sucks nowadays. But our show was way better back then. I gotta tell you. Where do you live? We live at the Isle of Sodor, where we do our jobs. Oh. And, okay. Who are your other friends? Who are these people?
Hello, I'm Percy. I'm gonna kill you because I'm Percy.
Oi, don't do that. And this is James. What? Yeah, that's the only noise that he makes. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, three of you are terrible. What did you just call us? I said that you're terrible. So angry at you now. You never call us terrible. We are awesome engines. I am a really, really super duper ultra useful engine. Ow, don't you dare do that. Excuse me, I could not help.
Hi, what's going on here?
Well, do you know these three guys, Yoshi?
Oh yeah, I do. Thomas. I like Thomas.
More sweetheart. Oh, sorry. Don't get back to the kitchen joke if you want some.
Oh, it's a close one. Yeah, the video now. Okay. Alright. Now my moves on. Now we can continue the video. Let's go. I have no idea what's going on.
I think that's Thomas. And that's Percy.
And I think that's James. Okay. I can show you what we can do, you know. Okay, let's go. Where's Thomas? Thomas. Oh, there he is. He's over there. Okay. Oh. We can show you what you can do. And you're looking at the music you to start to do stuff. You can do this. Oh, the Lord of Silver Water. Oh, the border for the sword of border God. Oh, the sea. Oh my god, that's awesome. Yeah. And don't forget, we are all very strong, but James is the strongest. And I can move all by myself without the person moving me. No, wait. How are you doing that? Oh, let's get back here. I am the fastest. Look at me. Faster. Wow. 64 James, I guess you're the sacrifices.
Yeah, I am. Let's go. Also, I can talk. It's just I love making the noise because it's funny.
It is not funny. But don't you dare say that to James or else you're dead. You know what? Guys, get him. We're getting to Super Saiyan now. Alright. On the count of 3, we're gonna rev our engines, okay? Thomas, are you sure you want to do this? Shut up, driver. I do want to do this. Percy, are you sure you want to do this?
Shut up, driver. I want to do this.
James, are you sure you want to do this?
Shut up, driver. I do want to do this.
Mario, oh my god, can you just get this over with, please? Alright. 3, 2, 1. Rev the engines. Okay, guys, this might take quite a long time. Ugh. Oh god, no. Looks like we're gonna have to prepare a funeral for Thomas. Okay, this is Thomas's grave.
I'm gonna jump in his grave.
Todd, do you know how disrespectful it is to jump on a grave?
No?
That's so much.
Stop it! No! Ah! I'm gonna punch you, Mario. You're dead.
And then Mario dies.
This is Mario's grave.
There he is.
I'm gonna jump in his grave.
Yoshi, do you know how disrespectful it is to jump on a grave?
No, I don't know.
Yoshi, you're gonna die.
And then Yoshi dies.
I'm gonna jump on Yoshi's grave.
Toad, do you know how disrespectful it is to jump on a grave?
No?
That's it, you're gonna die.
died. Let's all jump on Ted's grave. Yeah.
Thomas, James, Percy, do you know how disrespectful it is to jump on a grave?
No.
No. We're gonna kill you now.
No, don't kill me.
Don't hit me in the armpits. Yeah, let's not do that. That's kind of disgusting. Let's just do something else now. Because we don't want to get this video demonetized. Yeah. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh no. No.
Okay, DBS is done. You're all done now. Now you get to go home.
Oh, thank God. Alright. Oh no, I'm dead.
And then Julian dies.
And then it descends like